Oof. Hey, Ike here. Welcome back to Live Richly, where we help each other become better investors. So $455 billion, that is how much was spent in global digital advertising in 2020. 50% of that went to two companies, Facebook and Alphabet. And here in Australia, it's actually worse. 80 cents of every dollar invested in digital advertising went to Facebook or Alphabet. So this duopoly was seen to be unstoppable, dominating the digital advertising space until TikTok, the fastest growing social network in the world, and it's contemplating listing. So should you consider investing in TikTok when it lists? Let's talk about it. So TikTok is not just a dance meme factory. It's the best way to create and consume short form digital content on your mobile device. So its success has spurred copycat products like Reels by Instagram and Shorts by YouTube, which aren't as good as TikTok. But the main reason why TikTok should be interesting to you is that no other company reaches the consumers in two of the largest middle class groups in the world, China and the US, at the scale that TikTok does. It currently has over 1 billion daily active users. And that number is only projected to increase as TikTok has been the #1 most downloaded app in the Apple Store and Google Play Store. So TikTok was formed when parent company ByteDance acquired Musical.ly in 2017 for $1 billion. Then in August 2018, ByteDance officially rebranded Musical.ly and TikTok into one app, forming the version of TikTok that we know today. So from 2017, when TikTok acquired ByteDance, its share of China's digital ad market has grown from 0 to almost 25%. TikTok's key feature is its algorithm. It studies which content you like and creates a hyper-personal feed called the For You page. It's so good at creating this custom content that no two people's recommended feeds are the same. The algorithm keeps serving you content that it thinks you will enjoy based on how you've interacted with previous content. The more people that join the platform, the better data that the AI is getting and the better its recommendations become. TikTok's algorithm is its key feature that the other big tech companies haven't been able to replicate, and I don't think they're going to be able to replicate it. Other reason why TikTok has been so successful is how easy it is to create on the platform. So when I'm filming this YouTube video, I have to set up the light, set up the camera, research a script, do a ton of research on these videos because like a 7-minute video is now long form content. But as a TikTok creator, it's the easiest way for you to record, edit, and upload a video. And this has resulted in a lot more content being uploaded on the site because it's so easy. All you need is a phone and decent lighting. TikTok editing is so good, like editing within the app, that you'll notice that a lot of videos on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, you can see the TikTok watermark because they were edited on TikTok and the content has been repurposed on other platforms. So you can see a steady flow of content being produced at scale on TikTok, bigger than YouTube and Instagram, I think, in a couple of years. Now, the next reason why TikTok has been so successful is its focus on digestible short form content. Originally, TikTok videos were only 15 seconds, but now you can go up to 3 minutes. So most TikTok videos are produced by one solo creator who posts multiple times a day because their content is so short. So you can afford to bulk record your video and have a steady flow of videos coming on. So this is a feature that I think is unmatched because the amount of time it takes to make one YouTube video, you can probably make over 10 TikTok videos. And the next reason why TikTok is so successful is that it is the largest social media company that has no reliance on the social graph. So Facebook had a growth mantra of 7 friends in 10 days, and that made the product sticky for new users. But TikTok doesn't require you to have any friends or followers or even an account, right? This anti-social approach to a social network may result in more staying power than traditional models that suffer from context collapse, where the value of the product eventually goes down as users add too many friends. So by default, TikTok actually separates younger users from their parents as the user base matures. Now we know why TikTok has been so successful in the past. As a potential investor, you want to know how they're going to be successful in the future. How are they going to grow from here? Well, the best place to look is at Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, which is also owned by ByteDance. So number one, longer form video. So starting in mid-2019, Douyin began allowing some creators to upload videos of up to 15 minutes long. So this is a feature that I can see coming to TikTok, which will lead to more ads and revenue. ByteDance operates a Netflix-like streaming platform in China as well, which has been acquiring content, and with the data it's collecting on its current users, this could lead to TikTok recommending longer form movies or TV shows to its current user base. An algorithm that's actually better than Netflix's recommendation. The second thing is music streaming. So TikTok memes drive which songs hit the top of the charts. Some songs now release on TikTok before they reach Spotify or something like that. So ByteDance recently launched its own music streaming app. I think it's called Resso in India, Indonesia, and Brazil. So that's another revenue stream that they seem to be targeting. So look out Spotify. The next thing which everybody is getting into is gaming. I actually have a video breaking down how you can invest in video games. It's the next big thing in my opinion. Check that one out, I'll link it up there. But ByteDance has been making strides into gaming. It has bought multiple game publishers over the past 2 years, and its gaming division now has over 1,000 employees. 3 of the top 5 mobile games in China during the 2020 Chinese Lunar New Year were all from ByteDance. The next thing that they've been working on that I don't see a lot of people talking about is consumer finance. And this is still mainly focused in China. But ByteDance rolled out various forms of consumer and business loan, insurance, and wealth management products to over 23 million users. It's still early days, but ByteDance will likely leverage its distribution with billions of users around the world to experiment with things like mobile payments, mobile wallets, maybe something like a digital wallet. Another interesting potential revenue opportunity for ByteDance is education. I don't see this being reported a lot, but education is a massive priority for ByteDance. It recently announced plans to hire over 10,000 new employees for education initiatives. It's unclear exactly what success this will lead to, given how Beijing has been assessing the education sector, but it's something worth monitoring and looking out for when the prospectus comes. Taking all of this into consideration, will I be investing in TikTok? Well, the valuation of TikTok is not going to be cheap. I expect when it lists, a lot of the projected growth is going to be baked into that valuation. And we are trying to buy these stocks at a discount and get some margin of safety. So I've been hearing maybe valuations of around about $250 billion or so. I'm not sure, but that's what people are saying. We should make ByteDance, the owner of TikTok, one of the highest valued startups in history. But with that said, I have bought stocks before with high valuations because I thought the company was going to exceed those expectations, which is something that I think TikTok can do if they can execute as well as they have been, and also because their algorithm is so good, right? But the main issue or the main thing holding me back from investing with them is the ethics of the company, especially the way they treat creators of color and creators with disability. TikTok is, I don't know, it's not, some of the stuff they do is not really a good look. And the Live Richly ethos believes that investing is not just about making money, it's about building the world that we want to live in. So it's a wait and see with TikTok right now, because they have a lot of issues that they have to work through, which is something that you see platforms like Facebook struggle with as well. So anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. I'll also list some of my other videos on the screen now. And I created a TikTok because I really enjoy learning about this company and learning to use the app. So feel free to subscribe to that one. I'll link in the description as well. All right, so until next time, peace.